Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to tell you about Reclaim versus Clickup versus Notion. Reclaim, Clickup, and Notion are powerful productivity tools, each catering to different aspects of task management, scheduling, and organization. Reclaim is an AI-powered smart scheduling tool perfect for automating time management and calendar scheduling. ClickUp is a comprehensive project management platform offering task tracking, team collaboration, and workflow automation. Notion, on the other hand, is a flexible all-in-one workspace combining note-taking, database management, and collaboration features. I have created a comparison table for you. If you need an AI-powered smart scheduling assistant to automate your time blocking, task prioritization, and calendar management, Reclaim is the perfect choice. It is best for professionals who struggle with scheduling meetings and balancing work. If you are looking for a powerful task and project management tool that offers task tracking, workflow automation, and extensive integrations, ClickUp is your best bet. It is ideal for teams and businesses that require detailed project tracking and collaboration features. If you want a flexible all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, database management, and team collaboration, then Notion is the way to go. It is great for organizing personal and team knowledge, wikis, and structured content. In short, choose Reclaim if you want AI-powered scheduling and time management. Choose ClickUp for project and task management with automation. Choose Notion for a flexible, all-in-one note-taking and knowledge management system. Which tool do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons. See you in the next one.